Hello friends, it's a little loud 2011 Chevy Equinox. This is a dealership vehicle. It's not that bad at all. Put a light in here, but it's not cooperating with me today. We're gonna blow this out. And I am gonna do some wiping down with the Dice Detailing interior cleaner. See that? Probably not. These seats are looking really good. Center console looks good as well. That's got a little bit of an issue. It's a pretty clean car. Bella print, so we'll get that taken care of. As you see, it's dirty, but I probably won't get too crazy about it. We've got more winter weather moving in. This detail to bring you something Diamond ProTech sent me. This is the leather kit. I'm like, oh heck yeah. See, they watched my video on the interior coating and knew that I wanted to deal with the interior stuff. So they offered to send me a leather kit, and guess what? The Cadillac is gonna get a leather kit. So be watching for that video. Just occurred to me, I forgot to show you the finished product on the other car, the Chevy Equinox. But anyway, it's clean, my bad, but you know how it goes. Anyway, the 2004 Impala is back. The windshield was replaced. However, now there's a mess inside. Just gonna vacuum it and call it a day. So, I'm back in here. And we're going to get this vacuumed out. So there you go. Okay, about 15 minutes and that cleaned up this car and both of them are done. I can't believe I forgot to get the afters. And that is not like me. I'm like obsessed. Oh well. Thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate it. And until next time.